Hi friends, this is Musta YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take screenshot using accessibility menu option in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from one web page called facultyon.com. So here I go to facultyon.com. This is my own website for listing faculty and teachers job. Here itself I would like to take a screenshot. For that, first you have to set up the accessibility menu. Go to the settings in your phone. Go to settings here and click on system settings and click on accessibility. Now click on accessibility menu and turn on the button against the shortcut and click allow, give all permissions and click OK. This is the accessibility menu icon. You can move it anywhere on the screen and fix it anywhere. Now go to the same screen for which you want to take a screenshot. So here I go to my web page, and to take a screenshot use this icon. Just click it and here you will see screenshot icon. This is the screenshot icon. Just click it and screenshot will be taken. So using accessibility menu, you can just pick up screenshot icon from the accessibility menu option and you can easily take a screenshot. First you go to setup accessibility menu and then you can easily pick up the screenshot icon there. Once again I show it. Just click on accessibility menu icon and click on screenshot, and yes, screenshot is taken. So in this way you can easily take a screenshot using accessibility menu option in your phone. If you want to locate the file, go to files in your phone and click on internal storage, click on click on pictures and click on screenshots and you will see screenshot here. This is the screenshots that I took using accessibility menu option in my phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.